Ehraz Mullah, NSY State President, Nitin Patkar. So as you are all aware, की आम्ही movement start केलो open electionsaचो well before the notification of the university elections was out. We have started a movement called as the open elections, where we are demanding for every student to have the right to vote for the university council, which is not happening. Right now the process is that only 60 to 80 appointed people have the right to vote for the main university council. Due to this, many problems are happening. For example, kidnapping, स्टुडंट्साचेर अटॅक जाता, ब्रायबिंग ऑफ स्टुडंट्स जाता आणि कंटिन्युअसली इश्यूज वाडत रावला ओवर द इयर्स. Women representatives are also being threatened. Students are being threatened. The future of the country is at stake. Because if these students attacks are taking place or bribing is happening at such a low level of Goa University election, then I don't know where we are heading to and what is the future of the country. In the interest of the students of Goa, आम्ही try केले. We are being trying to approach the VC. We are being trying to approach the registrar. We are being trying to approach the governor. But everything is not being possible because they are not even giving an appointment. We have been asking for an appointment with the governor. पूण ते आमकां अपॉइंटमेंटूच दिवपाक रेडी जायना.
आमी आतां कोणा कडेन वचपाचें सांगा म्हाका. आमी VC कडेन गेले, रजिस्ट्रारा कडेन गेले, ज्या ज्या मनशा कडेन आमकां वचपाचें
आमी प्रेसान सुद्दां उलयले.
त्या सगळ्यां कडेन आमी गेले आनी आमकां कांय रिस्पॉन्सूच मेळपाकूच कोण पळयना. हांव कितें म्हणटा, जे कोण आसा ऑथॉरिटी तांकां म्हणटा, तुमचे आमकां तुमी मागीर कितें डिसिजन घेतले तें आयकून, नाल्यार तुमचो कितें जातलें, तुमी कितें डिसायड करतले, तेजो फैसलो मागीर जातलो, तेजेर डिस्कशन मागीर जातलें, तेजेर डिबेट मागीर जातलें, तें मागीर जातलें, तो तुमचो डिसिजन आसतलो. पूण सद्या हे स्टुडंट्साचें आयका तरी तुमी.
आयक तरी आमचे आमची रिक्वेस्ट आसा की आयका. दे आर नॉट रेडी टू लिसन टू अस. हितून प्रॉपरली कळटा की VC जो आसा, VC न्हिदला, रजिस्ट्रार न्हिदला, गव्हर्नर न्हिदला इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द भारतीय जनता पार्टी. बिकॉज दे नो की समज ओपन इलेक्शन जालें आनी एवरी स्टुडंटाक रायट मेळ्ळें वोटींग करपाचें जाल्यार दे वील लूज. दॅट इज वाय दे आर नॉट किपींग अ डेमोक्रेटीक सेटअप. डेमोक्रेसीच ना. इन गोवा युनिवर्सिटी देर हॅज बीन नो डेमोक्रेसी ओवर द इयर्स. अँड वॉट वी आर डिमांडिंग इज अ सिंपल थिंग. गिव एवरी स्टुडंट द रायट टू वोट. तुमचे जे अपॉइंटेड पपेट्स आसता तांकांच वोटींग रायट आनी ते तुमी ताका इलेक्शन म्हणटा. हें आनी कसलें इलेक्शन.
आता दिल्ली युनिव्हर्सिटीन जे इलेक्शन जालें तितून नरेंद्र मोदी
स्वता इन्वॉल्ड
फूल स्वता इन्वॉल्ड आसलो आनी तरी सुद्दां ते हारले. आनी हो भंय एक मनोहर पर्रीकाराक खाता. ताका लागून ताका हांगा ओपन इलेक्शन जाल्लें नाका म्हणून तो
भिता की
ताका नाका हो सिस्टम. ताका लागून तो आपल्या स्टुडंट्स बॉडी आहा तांकांय ते करूंक दिना, तांकांय त्या भुरग्यांकूय करपाचें ना. आनी ती पार्टीची आयडियोलॉजी आहा ती स्टुडंट्साचीच आयडियोलॉजी जातली. सो त्या प्रमाणान ते करता आनी तांकां फायदो जाता. सो ते कित्याक उलयतले अशें जाला सद्या तेंचें.
आनी सेकंडली BJPचो कोण स्टुडंट सेलाचो तेणे स्टेटमेंट दिलो, ते तुमचे कडेन आसतलो स्टेटमेंट, की इफ ओपन इलेक्शन जाले इट वील बेनिफीट म्हणून सांगला प्रेसान. जर ताका बेनिफीट जातले ताका दिसता की जो ओपन इलेक्शन्साचो मुवमेंट तांकां बेनिफीट जातलो जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी येवचें. फक्त प्रेसान उलयता, प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सीस दिता, प्रेस बायट्स दिता की तांकां बेनिफीट जातलो, की आमकां आनी बरें जातलें बिकॉज वी हॅव अ सेटअप इन ऑल द कॉलेजीस. जाल्यार यो लेट्स हॅव एन ओपन इलेक्शन्स. वी आर चॅलेंजींग द BJP स्टुडंट सेल to come out, come to the VC, come to the governor and let us both come and demand for an open elections where every student will have the right to vote. Because the elections which are taking place now is not an election that is taking place. It is a theatra, exactly a theatra, where only 60 to 80 appointed people have the right to vote finish. And they magi rally katta. It is just like a theatra. They say that they have won by 50 votes, 40 votes, 30 votes, whatever, and they rally katta. That is a theatra. That is not a democracy. That is not a democratic process. जर एवरी स्टुडंटाक रायट वोट आसपाक जाय जाल्यार दे वील लूज. दे नो if they think they will still win and it will benefit them, it will benefit the students of Goa, zalar yo ani support our movement. The CYSS is supporting the movement, the NCP is supporting the movement. Together for University, which has won the University panel, PGSU, even they have given a statement that they are supporting the open elections movement. All these organizations are coming to the VC. That day, as you know, we went to the VC, we went to the registrar. All these organizations came. Poon, the Bharatiya Janata Party student cell has given a statement on the same day, but has not come to the vice chancellor with us or the registrar with us. कितें जाय नाशिल्लें? पयलीं जावं नाशिल्लें टील 2012. आय डोंट नो अ सिंगल इन्सिडंट. समज आमी करताले, समज काँग्रेस करताले जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी येवपाचें आशिल्लें तेन्ना आनी तेंच्यांनी डिमांड करपाचें आशिल्लें ओपन इलेक्शन. आमी डिमांड पळय ह्या बिकॉज नाव किडनॅपिंग वाडला, ब्रायबिंग वाडला, आतां चड वाडला. तांकां म्हाका खबर ना इफ काँग्रेस वॉज डुईंग इट ऑर नॉट डुईंग इट. आय डोंट थिंक द काँग्रेस आयडियोलॉजी बिलीव्स इन ब्रायबिंग and threatening of students. Probably because of that, the BJP did not have a right to demand for an open election, because nothing of this sort had been happening. But now it is happening. That is why we are demanding, and it has to happen, and every student has to have the right to vote. It is a democracy in which we are living. We are not having a dictatorship where Manohar Parrikar will decide what the students' council will be. It is not that so many years why the Congress has been. That is not the question. The question is now have an open elections. And if you are saying that ami kita karuna, the BJP YM is also supporting the movement and tenchani yoche. There is no organization that is ready to even oppose the open elections. There is not a single statement from anyone that open elections is bad or open elections is. Give statements why it is bad. Te tari sanga. If you all are not supporting, then give at least statements. You all are supporting the open elections, then come in the open. Why only press statements? I am challenging them to come. We are ready to boycott the elections this time if open elections is not taking place. I challenge them also to boycott, because if they boycott, then open elections will have to happen. The VC will be pressurized, the governor will be pressurized, the CM of the state will also be pressurized that every student wants open elections. But they are not coming in the open to support. In press, they are giving press conferences, press bites. Tell them to come and support. Ami ready asa open elections karpak. Every student ak right aspak jay voting. Te theatra type karta jalar we are not ready to go and have that type of election.
College representative asता पण त्यांचा कोण हे करता?
क्या ले?
जे
जे UR असता त्यांका UCR अपॉइंट करता.
कोण करता?
UCR. आणि either it is the college president, either it is the college principal that appoints certain people, or it is the election. Elections are hardly in few colleges. And secondly, one point has to be noted that in most of the colleges, notice सुद्धा मारना directly. There is appointment by the principal. Inside there is no democratic setup. Notice असपाक जाय न्ही, सगळे कडेन भुरग्यांक कळपाक जाय न्ही. But no, the forms are not being accepted, and directly there is nomination in most of the colleges. तुम्ही list काढल्यार तुमका कळटले. Now तुमका कळटले. I will tell you the names. You can ask the university also. You can go and ask the university. No, you can go and ask the university. If you want the exact figure, exact names, you can go and ask the university of how many colleges have been doing this. Because it is not in the Lingdo committee. After 5 years, when the college starts, after 5 years, there has to be a democratic setup. There cannot be appointment system. But now, in many colleges, there is only appointment system that is taking place. I will give you the example. Let me give an example of Carmel College. Carmel College in election झाला तुम्ही वचून पया. विचारा तुम्ही. I am not asking you go and ask if there is election. In various colleges, there is no election only taking place. थोडे कॉलेजीन प्रिंसिपल अपॉइंट, थोडे जाग्यार ते इलेक्शन एंटरटेनूच करना. स्टुडंट कितें म्हणून बोर्ड करता? तुमी एक्सपेक्ट कितें करता बोर्ड करपाक तेंकां? कितें प्रिंसिपल कितें ते आमकां येवन सांगता वी आर द वॉयस ऑफ द स्टुडंट. कितें
students
ते
आपल्याला येऊन सांगता,
ते
"हे
ते
entertain
प्रिन्सिपलाचे
करना,
विरोध करतले
entertain
तुम्ही
करना."
एज अ स्टुडंट वचून प्रिन्सिपलाचे विरोध करपाक जायना सगळे कडेन कित्याक करपाक म्हणल्यार जायना what see every student see I'm not saying every student has the right to every student has see I'm saying that every student
आमकां
has
कित्याक म्हटल्यार आमी
एक
आमी
second every student has the right listen to me
तुम्ही कितें अशें हें करूं शकता की तीच भुरगीं फाल्यां वोटींग करूंक येतली अशें तुमकां दिसता
कितें
ती भुरगीं जेन्ना कॉलेजीन इलेक्शन जायना
jenna every where every student will have the right to vote they will vote why will they not vote
तेंच्यांनी प्रिन्सिपला विचारूंक जाय आमकां रायट आसा आमकां वोटींग कित्याक
तुम्ही
दिना?
as student तुम्ही वचून विरोध करतले as student you listen you understand one thing कि if a girl student is there or any other student is there will they have the guts to speak against the principal or to have a fight with the principal as students you please believe as students understand but as a student you have to understand
त्या कॉलेजीच्या विरोधान कित्याक हें करिना?
we have been fighting but it is the system which is wrong न्ही कॉलेजीच्या अगेन्स्ट आमी उलयता that is fine but when the system is wrong how many colleges will we fight the system has to change it is not that the system has to change
आतां सिस्टम आतां चेंज करूंक दिसली तुमकां
ना पयलींच्यान करता न्ही आमी
आनी तशें न्हू.
आर
आनी एक बरें कितें
फ्रॉम
काम
2013 see from 2013 we have been demanding this from 2013 we have been demanding this
आनी सध्या पयलीं तुमी करूंक ना आनी आतां केले हे उलोवन आमी ह्या गजालीक बारीक करुया नाका ह्यो एक व्हडलो मुवमेंट भुरग्यांच्या बऱ्या खातीर नाल्यार कोण अपोज करता ते तरी फुडें येवन कितें तरी वायट
हय
उलोवपाचें
वायट उलया तर
काय वायट जर ना एक बरें कितें जाता जाल्यार करया आतां हेका तुमी स्टॉप हेका जर तुमी डिफेंड करपा खातीर जर अशें म्हणटा पयलीं तुमी करूं ना आनी आतां केलें जाल्यार इट इज नॉट रायट काय वॅलिडूच ना कितें जाता तें पळोवया न्हू आमी कितें बरें जाता तें कितें नाल्यार जर अपोज कितें उलोवपाक सोदता जाल्यार हें केल्यार कितें नुकसान जातलो हें तरी उलया न्हू
आतां फुडें कितें तुमचें
कितें जालें
फुडें आतां कितें?
See, as of now, आयज आमी डिसिजन घेतला की वी आर boycotting this current type of system which is taking place. We are boycotting it. Secondly, what we are doing is we are filing a PIL in the High Court because some of the Lingdo committee recommendations are not being followed. That is the another step. And next what we will do that you will come to know कितें करतले खंय करतले आनी कितें करतले तें तुमकां कळटलें.
तुमच्या वांगडा आनीक कोण आसा?
आमचे वांगडा CYSS the students wing of the AAP is supporting this movement the students wing of the NCP is supporting this movement that is together for university has won the elections they also gave a statement that they want open elections which means that all the organizations for that matter are supporting BJYM is also supporting it in press but not practically in press they are supporting they have not given a statement that it is bad or something like that
तुमी गव्हर्नराक बी मेळटले?
हम कितले टाइम अपॉइंटमेंट मागला हांवें केन्नाच्यान अपॉइंटमेंट मागता दॅट आय हॅव टोल्ड यू ऑल ऑल्सो लास्ट टायम टू द प्रेस ऑल्सो आय हॅव टोल्ड की हांवें अपॉइंटमेंट मागलेलो पूण अपॉइंटमेंट म्हाका मेळना